Are you hungry? I have easy tasty recipe. It takes only 10 minutes. It's gnocchi with zucchini, basil and parmesan. Let's do it. I'm using these ingredients: gnocchi from refrigerated section, parmesan flakes, zucchini, fresh basil, olive oil, vegeta and black pepper. That's it. Wait a second. At very end I added a secret ingredient, so stick with me to find out what it is. First, I need to boil some water. Meanwhile, I'm cleaning the zucchini. I will use only half of the zucchini. I guess it should be enough. I will grate it. This way it cooks much faster. The water is boiling. I'll add a pinch of salt. Now add gnocchi and boil it for only 2 minutes. Sizzle test. Yep, it's hot enough. Let's put it in. I will fry it until it's nice golden brown. And at this point, the dish is ready to be served. It turned out pretty nice. But I have an idea. Let's put sour cream on it. And I can tell you right now, it was a good idea. It brought it to a whole different level. Try it too. So, this is the end of the video. And what else could I tell you? Maybe be brave and cook your meals. Goodbye.